Hi Grace, how's your feeling? Where's your mom? Strawberry, banana, pineapple with protein powder. I know it's your favorite because you and Cassie have the same thing. Where is she? The FBI knows you are involved, but I don't get why would someone like you, who's in the top universities, wanna rob a bank? Do you need money for tuition? Grace, please, tell me what's going on. I was driving here. I was thinking I should prepare some really clever argument to commit you a talk, but I couldn't come up with anything. All I know is my wife's gone now. Cassie is my whole life. I make breakfast every morning. On Mondays, I wash her clothes. I wanna see what career she really loves. Grace, I really wanna see her get married. This morning, someone in a mask put a gun in her head, and I couldn't do anything. I'm her father. My job is to protect, and I couldn't do anything. Grace, please, I don't know where she is. I don't know if she's taken away from me, or running away from me, or what's going on. So Grace, please, tell me what's going on. I love her so much, and I love you, and Abby, as my daughter. Ever since you were little, I coached you on soccer. Remember that? We had one game that we had a lot of fun. What's happening at 4 o'clock? Why are they going there? Why can't you say, Cassie, what are you doing here? I want the truth. Why should I leave? What's going on? Who are they? What? Did you help her? Come on, let's go. We'll call a police.